So with the boards, you get your paddle. Like we said, it's a 3-piece paddle, this one is. It joins together in sections. This one has a clamp, goes in, push down the little stud, twist it till it locks, and shut the clamp down. And that gives you a really strong, secure bit. And then we can put the handle in the top, same again, the clamp opens, top part goes in, and then you close the clamp. In a second, I'll show you how to make it the right size for you, so you can see how to adjust the paddle for you or anyone else that you're paddling with. And that's the paddle. Leashes that come with boards, there's different types of leashes for different types of water. This one's a coiled leash that I'm going to show you how to put on the back of the board. So when we unpack it, it's got 2 parts to it. We've got the actual leash, and then we have the leash string. So if I just take the leash string off now, and I'm going to attach it to the back of the board. So on the back of the board there's a D-ring. We take the leash string, we go through the D-ring. With the loop that we create, we poke the knot through and we pull it up, and this creates a nice secure fixing on the back of the board. And we have a loop here that we can then connect our leash through. Now how the leash works, it's a series of Velcro flaps that go over it. So we put it on, the Velcro goes over the top and closes down. The other side comes back over the top again, and then there's one final little bit there to secure it. This bit here is a rail saver, and this stops it rubbing on the back of the board. And the leash. Like I say, this is an ankle leash. I'll show you some other types of leashes later on. But this one will just go around either ankle when you're up on the board, and it means that if you fall off the board's going to stay with you. I say this is a coiled one, which means that it doesn't drag in the water next to you if you're doing like a bit of a tour somewhere. Not so good for surf and not so good for in moving water, but absolutely brilliant if you're just going for a bit of a cruise.